So it's Wednesday. Today is our relax day. We don't have any park days today. Just here at the resort. We're heading over. We have a dinner reservation, but nothing at the parks. We're going to Rainforest Cafe tonight, which I'm actually kind of excited about. It's a pretty good menu. And we're heading over to the Hippity Dippity pool. Good morning, Goofy. Okay. It's already very hot, very bright out here. But we're going right over there to the Hippity Dippity pool. So we are not going to the Hippity Dippity pool. We're going to go over to this little kiddie pool first and let Abigail play for a little bit. Hello there. See, if we would have stayed at Art of Animation, this is what it would have been like the entire time. Wow. So, kiddie pool time. There's gonna be so much pee in this thing. Don't run. You're gonna fall. Abigail. Do you see how bigger those got? So we have made it to the Hippity Dippity pool. Now we're going to take Abigail in there. Woo! Oh. Woo! I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Ah, is that a camera? Yeah. Are you in the water? Yeah, you love the water. You love the water. We have a life jacket on. In the water.
You can let her go. You're okay, just float. Look, Mommy's got you. Look.
She's enjoying it, isn't she?
She's trying to do the position. She knows. Head back. Oh, it's a big bird. She needs a break.
We are in here at Everything Pop, I believe is the name of it. I just got a grilled chicken sandwich that has arugula, some fresh mozzarella. It comes with a tomato, but I said no tomato. And some fries. This looks really good. Andrea and Erica are over in the hot dog section area. Andrea's getting a hot dog. Erica got pizza. She really likes the pizza. So let's get our food on. I mean, it's not the best food in the world, obviously, but for the price, for the convenience, for eating here, it's not horrible. So I also got the Go Bananas cupcake. Andrea was telling me about it. I think it's a Pop Century exclusive, not 100%, but I love banana. Should be pretty good. Here's my grilled chicken sandwich. So I don't really exactly remember what this is. Some sort of aioli, I think. And there's fresh mozzarella, grilled chicken, arugula, her foot long chili cheese. That looks really good.
Yeah.
And Erica's pizza. She really likes. That's a huge piece of pizza.
Look.
Eating some fries, some chili cheese, a little bit of hot dog. Let's eat. Alright, Everything Pop. No, Pop goes banana, right?
Yeah.
I think there's a little bit of banana cream in there, but I can't really tell. As of right now, there's nothing banana about this. We decided to give this awesome arcade a try, and Erica is going skiing. So they just got done riding this game. One thing I've noticed with this game, with all other games, they need some TLC. Did she drop the card? Did you get it? So with the beanbag toss, there's literally only 3 bags, and they take forever to get to you. The Down a Clown only has 2 balls. They take forever to get to you. The barrel toss thing only has 2 balls, and they take forever to get to you. This game that they just did or whatever, you're supposed to whack the sharks or whatever, but that's broken. None of it spun. Like, just this whole thing just needs some TLC. I mean, it's a cool arcade. They have cool games, but Erica is gonna surf some subways. Did she come up there all by herself? Some skee ball.
You wanna play? Look. I wanna play, Dada. Look. Ready? Watch. Ready? Whoa. Can you do it? Yay! Here, let Mama help you. Ready? Ready, ready, ready. Woo! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Ready?
Alright, let's see who can win. You got 14,000, you got 12,000, I got 11,000.
Me and Abigail beat y'all?
Yeah.
No, I got 14.
No, yeah, she won. Good job.
Good job, baby. High five.
She liked it. Time for some air hockey. Where's the thingy?
Over there.
Really?
I want to go get shot now. Okay, go get shot now.
We have made our way to Disney Springs. We actually have a reservation tonight at Rainforest Cafe. It's at 7:30. Time checked, it is 6:42. So I think we're gonna go into the Lego store, look in there for a little bit, and then we're gonna head on over and get some food at the Rainforest Cafe. We have never been to a Rainforest Cafe before, but looking at the menu, I think it'd be perfect for Abigail and perfect for Erica. So we're excited and we're hungry. Whoa, that's cool. The strolling piano. Is there someone controlling it?
Right at the start of everything that's new, a little spark lights up for you. Imagination, imagination, a dream can be a dream come true. With just a spark in me and you.
So we're heading to the Lego store. World of Disney is right over there. Abigail is excited to look at some Legos. She can't play with them because she will eat them. That would be very bad.
Why do they make big Legos?
That's why they make big Legos. Yep.
What if they have Moana Legos? Oh yeah, that's cool, isn't it?
They have a mural, like a Lego mural. I've never seen that before. That's cool.
Look at that stuff later.
But we're heading into here. Thank you. Woo! They have a Lego Atari. Okay, so we're going to see what it takes to build your own person and go from there. So there is a Lego Hogwarts Express, complete with platform 9 3/4, little characters, an owl, for $499. Heck no. One of the things Erica has always wanted to do is customize and make her own Lego character. And every time we've come here, they've all been taken up or it's not working. But apparently we're doing it. All 4 of us are doing it. And they have a spot right now. So we're gonna do it right now. We're gonna have fun. Abigail's crying. This is going crazy. So normally it's a 2 to 3 hour wait, but they have a spot right now. And so we're gonna partake. Go ahead and pause this if you want the information on building your own character.
So those boxes are going to activate your screen. You're going to take those boxes that you got and place one in front of each screen here. Perfect. And then place it side down. Shift activate there. And then those next boxes, keep it a safe place away from the screen so they don't activate. And then hit that arrow in the bottom right there. Now type your name. Your name's going to print on this little 1x3 brick on the back. It's going to say Lego Disney Springs on it.
I hate long ties.
So what you do is they give you these in a dry erase marker, and you choose a head, choose some feet, and choose accessories. I'm imagining everything is included, so you can choose literally whatever you want. So let's get to choose it. And then you see how that has H14. You write it on here. So now we have everything all done, everything picked out. And so now I think we go to the front. And one thing, you have to pay for these, like I showed you. Pay for the box first, and then you come over here and make it all. But we have everything all picked out, all 4 of us. Andrea made Abigail's. And we just have to wait for it to be printed, and it's good to go. I'm excited to see what mine looks like when it's finished. Oh man, I can smell it. There's the Rainforest Cafe. We have a reservation at 7:30. Time check, it is 7:26. We're definitely gonna make it, but we are pushing it. It took us a little while to build our Legos, and we still don't have them. We actually have to go back once we're done eating to go pick them up. But yeah, our reservation is for right there. Wish it was like below the fire, like it's exploding or erupting. That would have been a cool shot. So we signed up, we signed in, whatever, with our reservation, but there's no tables yet. So they have to text you when a table is ready. You would think that if you have a reservation, your table would be ready for your reservation. Whatever. So we're actually gonna go back to the Lego store and get our little figurines. And just wait on the text to say when our table is ready. So they just texted us that our table was ready, but we got caught in a torrential downpour when we were outside, and we literally had to run here to get inside the gift shop. We're soaked. Abigail's soaked, Andrea's soaked, Erica's soaked. That was not a fun, enjoyable thing. So now we try to enjoy this restaurant.